100%. 100% worth every penny.
Brilliant. So I've left my waterproofs at home, but my missus' waterproofs is here. But she comes out to me sometimes and helps me. Her waterproofs is here, but there's a slight problem. They're pink. Should I wear them or should I leave them? Got me off the TikTok. How do you find the service?
Fantastic. As I say, I've been doing it the last couple of years myself. The wee machines don't do what you do. Trust me, 100%. 100% worth every penny.
Brilliant, thank you. And initially I priced on a 5-car drive. I realised it was a 4-car.
Yep. You told me, yes, you did tell me, and I'd have paid what you asked in the first place, and I'd have been delighted
with it.
Thank you for
this.
No, well earned, trust me, well earned.
I'll be drinking this the weekend.
Aye, you've earned it. Fantastic, brilliant.
Cheers.
No, brilliant for that.